Yo, what up guys? Today I got another unboxing video for you. I've just ordered a Japspeed carbon fibre spoiler, or a big gay wing, or another bag of rice to throw in my car, some of you will say. But hey, don't hate, just rate. It's pretty big. I'm 6 foot and in the box it's like the same height as me. Lucky enough, I managed to find a few cars at a recent show I went to that had this spoiler fitted. So I got to check it out before I bought it, and then I did measure my car to make sure it's gonna fit. This is like 174 centimeters I think in total. My car is about that, but with obviously the wings and my steps and everything. And once I get the wheels brought out a little bit more, it will fit nicely, because my boot lid is quite narrow and my car is not huge, let's face it. But where it's tapered up, it's gonna look like it's overhanging and bigger than it is, I reckon. It's gonna look aggressive, put it that way. But it should be perfectly in line with the body, hopefully. And if policies do have a problem with it, I will have to bang out the tape measure and prove it. But it's all good. Without further ado, let's get it open and see what we're dealing with. Hopefully everything's intact and nothing's damaged. So, we've got a big old Japspeed sticker. First of all, let's go for the wing, shall we? As you can see, these brackets are already mounted, which is good. Oh my god, so much carbon fiber. There we go. Overall, quality's pretty good. There is no scratches, no marks. The weave's all nice and straight. There's no odd folds or bends anywhere. Brackets are pre-mounted. It's good. Yeah, and it's really light as well. Really light. There's a little bit of overlap here, but that's not a problem. Yeah, it's nice. Right, there's the legs. So the legs mount on these holes here, and as you can see there are extra holes, so it's adjustable. You can put it in any one of those. I also picked up these green dress-up bolts, which I'm going to use to replace most of them on this, to be honest, and especially on the end plates. I think they're going to look good. And to mount these, so hopefully I got enough. I've got 16. There's a lot more than that in there. So I'm going to put it together now real quick just to show you what it looks like. But the install will be on the next video because I do not have time today.
And we keep getting fucked up on our love drunk ways, and we're fucked up. But you come my way, and they hating how we live, but we living every night like the last. Speeding like we're never gonna crash in the fast lane, like they're trying to catch up, and you're mad lame. You ain't never catch us, and I'm riding on this wave, and I'm seeing where my life will go. Stop, take a shot, and we keep getting fucked up on our love drunk ways, and we're fucked up. But you come my way, and they hating how we live, but we living every night like the last. Speeding like we're never gonna crash in the fast lane, like they're trying to catch up, and you're mad lame. You ain't never catch us, and I'm riding on this wave, and I'm seeing where my life will go. Stop, take a shot, reload.
I'm drunk off you, tell you what I need and you come right through, yeah. So drunk off you, you're everything I want and you know that's true.
And there we go, all built. Oh, she looks good. You've got the green ones on the outside here, and I'll probably change all of these to green as well when I come to actually installing and adjusting it. So what I'll do quickly now is I'll give you actual measurements of how big the wing is, how tall the legs are, etc. So that way you've got a good idea of how big it's going to be and if it's going to fit your car basically. So I hope you found that video helpful. I've put it together now. She looks really good. So I'm going to install it tomorrow because right now I'm losing daylight and I do not have the time right now, and I want to do this properly because I've got to drill holes into my car and that's never fun. So if you want to see the installation video, I'll be popping up on my channel very soon. So hit the subscribe button so you don't miss that, and I'll see you then. So peace out.